Hi everybody, it's Dr. Magnifico with Deersville Vet. This is Winston. He is an almost 12-year-old lab. He's about the sweetest thing ever. He fell down the stairs the other day, and he is a three-legged, so he is what lots of people call a tripod. He lost his back left leg due to trauma about 2 years ago, and now that he's 12, it's getting a little more difficult for him to get up and move around like he did. So he's going to go home today with a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory after I do just a basic blood work panel to check for liver and kidney function. But we are putting this video out today to see if anybody has a two-handled harness that he might be able to borrow for a little while so his dad can try it out to see if it helps him get up. He does struggle initially to get his feet underneath him as he's getting up. So we are looking for a two-handled harness. Looks something like that. It's got a harness for the front legs and a harness for a handle for the back leg. I call it a suitcase-looking harness, but really we're looking for something for front and back support. So there's a really good picture. So if you have one that you no longer need for about a 90-pound dog, Winston would like to borrow it. You can private message me via the Facebook feed, or you can call the clinic, and he would be very, very grateful. He needs a little bit of assistance and support at this time. And I don't have anything here. Usually you have a freebie bin here, and I have lots of leashes and collars, but right now I don't have the suitcase harness. So I know there are a couple of you guys out there who have had one and liked it and used it, and then I don't think need it anymore. So if you still have it hanging around in your closet, just give me a call. Winston's a really good case of, how well dogs can do. I have a lot of conversations with people about amputating legs, and everybody is always really, really reluctant. It's especially true with the dogs with osteosarcoma. But in my opinion, once you get that leg off, you remove the pain, and they do much, much better. They adjust amazingly, and I think his dad would attest to that. They really, those three-legged dogs get up and keep moving, and nothing slows them down. They don't feel sorry for themselves, and usually they're much more pain-free after that. It's just as they get older. So the labs, we always worry about hip dysplasia, and then if you're missing one of your back legs, that hip dysplasia can be especially more difficult to manage. So talk to your vet or talk to us about non-steroidal. It really does give these guys a new second wind, and they do much, much better. So he's going to go home today with something to help him after his little stumble, and hopefully we will keep him moving for a long time to come, and hopefully with the help of a harness. Thanks so much, everybody. Wish him luck. He's the nicest boy. You're a good boy, right? You're a good boy. Bye.